The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 236, effective until 1 o'clock a.m. Wednesday, or 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City and 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
A severe thunderstorm